When it comes to your Jeep Wrangler or any other of the Jeep models, you need to be careful about what types of speakers you buy for it. Speakers for Jeep Wrangler can't just be anything. As a matter of fact, the best option is to get 5 points best speakers for Jeep Wrangler from multiple brands that have proven themselves in providing customers with the best speakers. We keep these top 5 speakers in our list because they are the best in terms of performance, durability, and price. Let's start. Number 1. Mopar Jeep Wrangler JK Kicker Speaker Upgrade. Mopar now offers exclusive audio system upgrade components and packages for popular Jeep vehicles from Kicker, the world's premier high-performance car audio manufacturer. This Mopar Dash Sound Bar speaker upgrade is designed to fit your Wrangler or Grand Cherokee and is factory approved by Mopar, suitable for all Jeep Wrangler 2-door, 4-door owners. This Mopar Dash Sound Bar speaker upgrade contains a pair left and right speakers and can be used for either the front kicker subs or amplifier to boost the sound quality of your favorite tunes. Select your vehicle and choose the right speakers for your Jeep. Mopar offers exclusive audio system upgrade components and packages for popular Jeep vehicles from Kicker, the world's premier high-performance car audio manufacturer. This one package contains a pair left and right speakers and can be used for either the front or rear. Best of all, the Kicker speakers, subwoofers, and amplifiers have all been designed specifically for Jeep vehicles. The number 2. Kicker Hot Wheels Criss Cross Crash Track Set. Kicker's DS Series coaxial speakers fit nearly any vehicle door for an enormous improvement over factory sound. With stiff polypropylene cones and ribbed, UV-treated foam surrounds, this design gives you the realism and power you've always wanted. Find your perfect fit with 100% SweatGuard moisture-wicking lining. And even though it fits nearly every vehicle on the road today, Kicker DS Series speakers still save you time, money, and aggravation by going right out of the box. Upgrade your music system with the Kicker DS Coaxial Track Set. Upgrade your sound and add realism to you ride with these speakers that fit nearly any vehicle door. They have a polypropylene cone, stiff surround, and ribbed foam for low-profile sound quality. The Pay Domes tweeters are the perfect size for a clear, crisp musical tone that won't distract from the factory grills or window motors. Kicker DS coaxial speakers are designed to replace the factory radios in cars, SUVs, and trucks. With a custom-designed enclosure, these drivers give you the realism and power you've always wanted without drilling holes into your door. Number 3. Vertically driven 792,501 speaker sound bar Wrangler. This sound bar is great for those who want a simple and practical upgrade to your pro-comp Jeep Wrangler's sound system. It's easy to install. Install the speaker box and wire in the power. This is a fantastic package that gives you twice the power output of your stock speakers. This is a good bar if you use the mounting system that they include. The rest of the experts on their forum will tell you to run it off the speakers on the dash. I made the mistake of using the stock speakers on this bar and not using the mounting system. It was junk and it sounds like it. Don't make that mistake. This vertically driven speaker for Jeep Wrangler is a fantastic upgrade for your Jeep Wrangler. It's easy to install. Install the speaker box and wire in the power. This is a fantastic package that gives you twice the power output of your stock speakers. The speakers are loud and clear, and they have great bass. It's a fantastic upgrade for your Jeep Wrangler. The only problem is that the mounting system doesn't come with it. Number 4. Rockville RWB65B 6.5 inches Marine Wakeboard Tower Speakers. Ready for your next adventure? These Rockville RWB65B 6.5 inches Marine Wakeboard Tower speakers promise to bring you the most accurate, clear, and booming sound. They feature a 1-inch spider cone, sealed terminals, and are suitable for voiceovers. A great addition to your lighthouse or observation deck on your boat. KVH offers you the best sounding speakers for your personal vehicle, truck, or any other 4x4. A Rockville RWB65B Marine Wakeboard speaker system is built specifically to produce a powerful and clear audio signal with stunning clarity. Designed with a durable construction and professional components, this speaker system can easily withstand salt water, fresh water, UV rays, and temperature changes. With its versatile mounting brackets and durable design, this speaker system is equipped with high-quality sound that's ideal for recreational purposes as well as for marine sports or bow fishing. Rare find these speakers in a pair. They're very high quality. They sound clear and crisp. These speakers are also weather-resistant, as well as being saltwater resistant. Number 5. Alpine Electronics SBV10 Subwoofer System for Jeep Wrangler JKU. The Alpine Electronics SBV10WRA is a 10-inch subwoofer preloaded into a sealed enclosure designed to fit under the front passenger's seat of the 2007 to 2018 JKU. The lower frequency sound loads into the passenger's footwell to deliver quality sound and maximized bass extension even when the Wrangler's top is off. The subwoofer's power handling of 300W RMS or 900W peak delivers dependable, well-rounded bass performance. The SBV10WRA is weather-resistant and rugged. Rated at IP66, so it's protected from total dust ingress and water from any direction. The lower frequency sound loads into the passenger's footwell to deliver quality sound and maximized bass extension even when the Wrangler's top is off. The lower frequency sound loads into the passenger's footwell to deliver quality sound and maximized bass extension even when the Wrangler's top is off. Inside the sealed enclosure, this subwoofer has peak power handling for dependable, well-rounded bass performance, weather-resistant and rugged. Rated at IP66, so it's protected from total dust ingress and water from any direction. And eventually, the number 6 CEF Premium High-Definition Replacement Speaker. Easy to install and set up. The premium high-definition soundbar plug-and-play replacement speakers are ideal for any Jeep JK Wrangler, Unlimited, Summit and Rubicon models, featuring a polypropylene plus 1 woofer cone for added durability and two-way coaxial speaker designed for excellent sound quality. These speakers plug straight into the factory speaker wiring, which means you do not have to cut into your factory plug wiring. If you want to upgrade your sound system without messing with stock appearance, then this is the solution for you. Two-way coaxial speaker designed for your Jeep Wrangler JL. This CEF Premium aluminum high-frequency driver enclosure speakers with edge tweeter technology will give you the sound that you have been waiting for. The JBL Custom Club Series 2 Exact Fit replacement speakers feature a high-performance, edge-driven silk dome tweeter and polypropylene woofer cone with a unique and ceiling configuration. This design is efficient and low distortion, which results in exceptional clarity and quality sound like no other speakers on the market today. If you're looking for some new and exciting car products to check out, be sure to head over to our channel and take a look at some of the latest reviews. We upload new videos every single day, so there's always something new for you to see. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can get notified when we post a new video.